So Russ, day one of INTERPHEX is complete. You were here leading the INTERPHEX live discussions. I was spending a little bit more time out on the show floor. Seems like we were hearing a lot of the same discussions though. A lot of newer cutting edge technologies taking place at earlier stages in product development.
Absolutely, Jeff. They're talking about moving the really good stuff up earlier on. This falls in line with the QBD aspects we've been talking about. It's good, it's just sound approach to put in the development time up front. The thing that also struck me, Jeff, is we're talking about, semi-continuous, continuous, hybrid processing, modular, moving stuff around, airlifting it from here and there. It was an eye-opening experience. It looks like it's really grabbing hold on that.
The precision engineering, you mentioned the modular developments and the continuous processing. The precision engineering that's involved with that is really amazing. In some of the booths that we saw some of those things taking place. I was also really impressed with some of the regulatory things, how much people are talking about them, the impact that they're having not just in supply chain, not just in product development, but really throughout. And even the equipment manufacturers were talking a lot about those regulatory concerns.
I think what you'll find is that a lot of the regulatory concerns are something that becomes a hurdle for a potential client. And I think by educating themselves, they can help the client get beyond it. As it turns out, I think there's a lot more, there's a lot more talk than there is real understanding. And I to be honest, like I said at a couple of our sessions on continuous process, FDA is pretty much silent on what a batch is. Yeah. You got to define it.
Yeah. Well, that's interesting. Imagine that a government organization not being clear, right?
Yeah, geez, go figure.
Some of the many challenges that we're dealing with here at INTERPHEX and throughout the pharmaceutical marketplace. What are you looking forward to tomorrow, Russ?
I think we're going to be looking at, again, some more of the modularity discussions we're going to be bringing in. I think some of the other stuff we're going to be talking about is, going to the old, because we've mixed together a lot of the go-to technologies, terminal sterilization. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about, leveraging tablet tooling for product defense. This is the stuff I grew up with in industry, so, this is what I'm really looking forward to. So that Elizabeth Carbide present is going to be really, really good.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to getting out on the show floor, talking to some more about these single-use developments that are going on and hitting up some of the contract manufacturers to get a feel for some of the trends that are taking place there too.
I got to tell you, the guys from GE Healthcare and the guys that came in from EMD Millipore, they had some pretty interesting stuff to say about that biosimilar. Real eye-opener. It was pretty good.
We'll look forward to it tomorrow on day 2 of INTERPHEX.
All right. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks, Russ.
Right.